Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Ulta haul. So if you would like to see some of the goodies I picked up, please keep watching. The first thing I'm going to be showing you is from MAC. I feel like I haven't purchased anything from MAC in a really long time, and I don't know why, because I actually really like everything that I've ever got from them. It's just not a brand that I typically buy a lot from. I don't know why, but since we're on the subject, let me know your ride or die most favoritist MAC product in the comments below so I can check that out, because I feel like I need to expand my MAC collection. Anyways, the first thing right here is the MAC matte lipstick in the shade Honeylove. I saw a makeup picture on Instagram and she was wearing this in like all her pictures and I was like, I need that. So that's why I got this. I remember buying MAC lipsticks when they were still only $15 and I think this was like $18. So ooh, so it's just like a really pretty kind of like brownie clay pink nude shade. I'm horrible at describing things, but that's like the best I can do. That's really pretty. It's kind of unique too. So I wanted to get the Fenty Beauty lavender powder, but that's like $30 and I don't think that's something that I'm going to be using all the time. So I saw that Makeup Revolution came out with a loose setting powder. This says it's talc free and no flashback, water resistant, and this is in the shade Light Lavender. It's the Conceal and Fix powder. So I thought this was, you know, since I don't know how I feel about lavender powder, but supposedly it's supposed to like brighten the under eye, so I just wanted to try it out and I didn't want to have to spend $30 when I can spend like $10. So this is the container. It's really nice. I think this is my first loose powder from Makeup Revolution. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. So you open it up and this is what it looks like. And then it has an R right here and then a little pull tab that you can pull up that you can just keep. Ooh. Mine didn't have like, oh wait, yeah it does. I was like, mine didn't have a protective seal, but it does. But that's what it looks like. To me, it doesn't look super lavender. I don't know. I'm excited to try this because it's something like totally different. You get 13 grams. I just grabbed my Fenty powder real quick because I just want to see how much you get. So you get 28 grams, 13 grams of this. So pretty much you can get 3 of these for the price of this one. Then this is a repurchase. This is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Blonde. This is really good. I like it because it's not super thick, but it adds like the highlights in my brows that I like, but I don't necessarily think it sets my brows. So I like to use this and then go in with like a clear brow gel or something like that on top of it. I don't really like this like by itself. Next, I have the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. The only other thing I've tried from Juice Beauty was their Cleanse Off Oil. Ooh, I really like this packaging. So this says a blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused with certified organic antioxidant rich botanical juices works to reduce the appearance of dark circles, fine lines around the eyes for lasting advanced age-defy results. So I'm already somebody that washes their hands like 500 million times a day, but now that I have a baby, I'm using hand sanitizer 500 million times a day and washing my hands 500 times a day. So my hands are extremely dry and it's freezing here in California. It actually like snowed the day before Thanksgiving. Or no, it did snow on Thanksgiving actually. So much snow. It was like our family that came from Kansas like brought Kansas weather with them, but it was so amazing. Like I love snow. Oh my gosh. But anyways, so I picked up these two. They were on the sale tab. This is the Aquaphor Healing Ointment Advanced Therapy for Dry, Cracked, or Irritated Skin. I have tried the lip balm from this because a lot of people like it and it didn't work for me. So the chapstick version of this did not work for me, but hopefully this one will. If not, maybe I can mix it in with my other hand creams. And then this was on the sale tab for $1, so I figured I would try it. This is the Nivea Creme. Rich moisturizing cream for body, face, and hands. It smells a little funky. It looks like it's like Vaseline, but we'll see. $1, I couldn't pass that up. Next up, I have the iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray. I have the MAC Fix Plus that has like the gold flakes in it. This little guy right here is called Gold Light. You can see, but I feel like this doesn't do anything, so I don't know. But I feel, well, it works just the same as the other MAC Fix Pluses that don't have the added shimmer in it, is what I'm saying. It still works like MAC Fix Plus, but I believe Iconic London were like the first people to have like the shimmer sprays. So I'm pretty excited for this. And this one's kind of like a rose gold. It says, shake well for even glow. Eyes closed, applying the soothing mist before you moisturize and use to finish makeup. I guess we'll just try it. Has like a nice scent to it, actually. Like a clean perfume scent, but it's not overwhelming like at all. I don't really see any shimmer, I guess is what I'm saying. Oh, but it did. It left little dots on my face. Yeah, I don't really see any shimmer. I'm just confused when it comes to this stuff because I don't see the shimmer from the MAC one either, and I don't see the shimmer from that one, so I don't know what's going on. But it does feel nice. It kind of feels like a little sticky, and it says that you can use it to set your makeup. It says refresh throughout the day for additional hydration and illumination. So maybe I'm just not spraying enough, but the shimmer and the Iconic one is a lot more, it looks more like fine, I guess, and there looks like there's actually like a lot more shimmer in this one than my MAC one. But weird, it is a little sticky. I don't know if this is something that I want to necessarily set my face with, but we'll see. Next, I picked up this foundation. This is from CoverGirl, and this is the Clean Liquid Foundation. I have the shade 150 Beige, Creamy Beige. It says designed for normal skin, natural lightweight coverage that feels and looks fresh, water-based, won't clog pores. I haven't heard anybody talk about this. Well, people that I watch I haven't heard talk about this, but I'm excited to try this. I think I might actually have to like self-tan before I try this, but yeah. Other than not having a pump, I like finding like hidden gems that I don't hear like a million people talking about. Those kind of products almost always work for me, so knock on wood. Then this was on the sale tab. This is from Clinique, and it's the Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer 2-in-1. Now, this was like all the rage when it first came out, and again, I never try things when everybody else is trying them. I don't know, I'm one of those people. But I'm excited for this. This is the shade... Oh, this one looks like I could actually wear it right now and I don't need a self-tan. This is in the shade CN52. Do people still wear this? Like, I don't even know, but I'm excited for it. Clinique is another brand that I don't really buy a lot from either. I really want to though, because Clinique's been around forever. And like when I was in grade school, everybody wore the Happy perfume. Like that was everybody's like scent of choice. And the only other thing that I use religiously from Clinique is the Take Off the Day Balm. Like nothing will ever replace that for me. So every time I run out, I get another one because it is just the best makeup remover ever. It takes off any kind of eye look, glitter, shimmer. It takes off your liquid lipstick, and it takes off waterproof mascara. So it just is like all in one. Like it is my favorite. Weird. Now that I sprayed that Iconic stuff, my face seriously feels sticky. I think it might be a good like primer, but to set my face, I don't know, even my skin feels kind of sticky. Weird. Anyway, so the next thing I have is from Tarte, and this is the Chrome Paint Shadow Pot. This is in the shade Park Avenue Princess. Never tried any of these. Oh, so this is what it looks like. I think it's the L'Oreal eyeshadows that used to come with this little thing on top, but this is the shade. This reminds me of like Pat McGrath, but way cheaper. This is the closest thing I've ever seen to the Pat McGrath like Metamorphosis eyeshadows. Those are like the only things I splurged on, and I've never found anything like those. So to me, that was totally worth the money. But this is the closest thing I have seen to those. Wow, that's gorgeous. And I think since I bought that Clinique foundation, it came with this for free. This is the Custom Repair Serum. Clinique Smart. All skin types. This little guy right here. Visibly repairs lines, wrinkles, dark spots, uneven tone, firms, and imparts radiance. Next, I picked up one of these from Makeup Revolution. This is the Pout Balm Plumping Lip Gloss with vitamin E. There's a few shades, but I wanted like a dark one because it's like wintertime right now. This is in the shade called Cookie. I feel like I heard people trying to say that these were a dupe for the Fenty gloss bombs, but then I heard other people say that they were like way too opaque to be dupes. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Just off the bat, there's like a minty smell. That went on so smooth. It didn't feel sticky at all. I think this is gonna be like my new favorite gloss. And it's plumping. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could have felt the way it just went on the back of my hand. Oh my gosh, and I love the shade of this. I can already tell that I'm gonna be buying the rest of the shades of this. Like, oh my gosh. Next, I bought the 3503 Fierce by Nature Morphe palette. I have the Morphe 350 on my eyes right now, and then I have this Make It Forever Starlit powder in the shade 109. So this is the palette. The Morphe 350 is just the hard plastic palette, so I don't know if they're just like redoing all their palettes like this, but this looked really pretty. And then this is what it looks like. There's like a really pretty like glitter shade right there. And then there is a card with all the names, even though I wish they would just print them on the palette. It's so much easier. I'm just gonna touch that middle shade. Ooh, it's like kind of like a pressed glitter shade, but these look gorgeous. I can't wait to play with this. Next, I have this Gold Mine lip set from Buxom. I believe one of these is a new shade called Sugar Drop. It's the Plumping lip set. So you get 3 things. The first one right here is the shade Dolly. This is the full-on plumping lip polish. I don't think I have this shade actually, but Dolly is definitely like one of my favorite shades from them. This and then the infamous White Russian. So this has like a little bit of gold glitter in it. Then it comes with the full-on plumping lip cream. This is in the shade Sugar Drop. So this is the new shade. Ooh, it's a really nice nude neutral shade right here that would look really nice on even bare lips, I think. And then these are like my favorite lip liners. They're big enough to where you can actually use them as like an all over lip color as well if you want, but these are so good. This one is in the shade Incognito, which I don't have, and it's kind of like a peachy nude shade. It reminds me of this Rimmel lip liner. I can't remember the name of it, but lots of people use it. But these I like because one side is the pencil and then the other side has a brush so you can blend. And then the last thing I picked up is from NYX, and it's the Modern Dreamer eyeshadow palette. I kept waiting for this to go on sale because I think full price it's like, I could be wrong, I want to say it's $50 or $35 or something, and I think I got it for 15 or 20. I can't remember, I might be totally off, but I know I got it at half price of what full price is, so that's why I went ahead and got this. And I have the other one that came out last year and I really like that one too. So you get a nice mixture of mattes and a few shimmers. It's really pretty. This would be a good like summer transitioning into fall palette or any time of the year, but that's what I think of when I see this. So that's everything from my Ulta haul. As always, let me know if you guys have tried out any of these products in the comments below and what you think. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.